Ever wondered what makes your favorite gadgets tick? Welcome, curious minds, to the fascinating world of electronics. Today we'll delve into the fundamentals of this technological marvel, guiding you through the basics, step by step. First things first, what is electronics? It's a branch of physics and technology that deals with the study of flow and control of electrons. These electrons, tiny particles within an atom, play a key role in powering our world. Now, let's talk about electricity. Picture it as a flow of electrons from one point to another. This flow, known as current, is the lifeblood of any electronic device. The path through which this current flows is called a circuit. Think of it as a racetrack for electrons, where the speed and direction of the electrons determine how our devices function. So, how do we control this flow of electrons? Enter electronic components. These are like traffic signals, each with a specific role in directing the flow of electrons. The most basic components are resistors, capacitors, and inductors. A resistor is like a speed bump, slowing down the flow of electrons or reducing the current. Capacitors, on the other hand, are like savings banks for electrons. They store electrical energy and release it when needed. Inductors, meanwhile, resist changes in current and can store energy in a magnetic field. But these components alone can't do much. They need to be connected together in a specific way to perform a particular function. This is where circuits come in. A circuit is a complete path around which electricity can flow. It's like a city roadmap for electrons. And how do we create these circuits? Through soldering, a process where components are joined together using a filler metal. Just as we have rules on the road, there are laws governing the world of electronics too. Ohm's law, for instance, is a fundamental principle that states the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. To round things off, we've journeyed through the world of electronics, starting with the basic definition and moving on to the roles of electrons and electricity. We've introduced key electronic components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors, and discussed how they're used in circuits. We've also touched on the process of soldering and the importance of Ohm's law. Remember, like any new skill, understanding electronics takes time and practice. So keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, the next great electronic innovation could be just a spark of an idea away. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.